I'm Adam.
And I'm Demi.
And we're hitting the road in our petmobile to meet the weirdest,
Wackiest,
cutest,
most talented pets and animals that you can throw at us in the Big Pet Project! On our road trip, we're meeting with pet owners and their amazing pets and getting loads of ideas and advice.
So if you love pets and animals, this is the show for you.
In this episode, we're pulling up in Rathole, County Donegal.
We've come here to this donkey sanctuary in the northwest of Ireland to meet as many of your amazing pets as possible.
In this episode, we'll be getting to know the best dressed pug in Ireland.
Get your catwalk ready, Demi.
Ooh.
Go on, work
Ooh.
it. Plus, I'll be taking on a pony in a painting competition.
And we'll be meeting a red-kneed spider.
Spider? I hate spiders.
Yeah, so do I, Adam. But its name is Pumpkin and it's supposed to be adorable, so how bad could it be?
Well, if that's not enough for you, we'll also be checking in with our resident hamsters in Hamster Cam and finding out who Dr. Bobby has been helping out.
Right, let's get down to it. Who is our first pet of the day? Where? Let's go.
First up, it's our hosts here at the Donkey Sanctuary, Elsa and her donkey, Quiny.
So Quiny was actually abandoned. He was found tied to a scrap car in a bog.
Oh no.
Yeah. He's the reason the sanctuary's here today. He's our first rescue.
And how old is Quiny?
Quiny's around 30 years old.
30?
Exactly, yeah.
30.
Donkeys can actually live to around 50s.
Oh my goodness.
Quiny, what is your skincare regimen? Because you don't look a day over 12.
So when did you come here to the sanctuary?
Around 15 years ago.
And what age are you?
Turning 15 this year.
So you guys grew up next with each other, basically?
Yeah, when I was younger, I thought he was my brother.
That's
cute.
sweet.
That is cute.
That's very cute. Is it true that donkeys sleep standing up?
It is true.
How does that work?
Because of just survival, 2 or 3 in a herd will stand up while the rest lie down and they'll take it in turns so that everyone gets to go.
I think he's showing the camera his booty. So do you see Quiny and the other donkeys here as your pets?
Yeah, I do. But donkeys here get rehomed to forever homes.
Do they make good pets?
Yeah, you just have to have everything that a donkey needs.
Okay.
So a donkey needs at least around 2 acres and a stable. So if you have that, then he's a good pet.
What other donkeys do you guys have in the sanctuary?
Well, we have lots of other donkeys at the sanctuary. Some of them would be Foghorn, Binky and Rose. Rose was born at the sanctuary last year.
Hello, sweetheart.
Where is Rose? Can we see Rose?
Of course you can.
Let's do it. Right, where do we go?
Where is it this way?
Yeah, this way.
Where's Rose? So
Rose is in here hiding at the minute. This is my brother Sam. Me and Sam are up at 2 o'clock in the morning bottle feeding.
And how long did you have to do that for?
6 months.
Every night? Wow.
I didn't really want to do the 6 o'clock in the morning one. I'm more of a nighttime person.
Oh, okay. So you
Yeah.
just stayed up until 2 a.m. Right, gotcha.
And then had a lie-in.
Okay. And I hear Rose is a bit of a social media influencer, is that right?
Rose has had millions of views on her videos. Rose loves to do zoomies and she loves to be brushed. One of her videos, she came up to show the camera how good she was looking.
I love it.
She's worldwide famous. She got a lovely koala bear from Australia recently for her birthday and she's been getting lots and lots of cards.
Now I want a donkey, I just don't have enough space for one.
Well, the good news is that our next pet is much smaller. Bad news is it's a spider.
We're meeting pet owner Dylan and his Mexican red-kneed tarantula, Pumpkin. Can I ask why is she called Pumpkin?
We kind of got her on my birthday, which is in October, and I just thought pumpkin because she has a wee bit of an orange pattern.
She actually does have the Halloween colours, you know, like the black, the orange, and a bit of grey as well.
What kind of pet is she?
A chill pet, and she's really entertaining sometimes when we feed her.
Oh, okay.
Why, what does she do? Does she tell jokes?
Whenever she does eat, it's really entertaining because there's like a whole process of her feeling it with her hairs. So she has really micro hairs almost, and she feels vibrations through them. What she'll do is that she'll feel it and then she'll go and pounce on it.
And what does she eat?
She eats live locusts.
Was she always that size?
So we've had her ever since she was a sling,
Right.
like a baby.
Okay.
She's gonna actually grow more because she's only 5 years old. They live for 30 years when they're females, and the males only live for like 5 to 7 years.
And is it Pumpkin a male or female?
Female.
So she could live for 30 years then?
Yeah.
I heard with tarantulas, they like to shed.
Yeah, it's called molting. She gets bigger, that's why she needs molt. Because her skin will get a wee bit too tight. She will flip over and then she'll almost like tear it off almost, and then she'll slowly turn back over.
And how long does that process take?
A few hours maybe.
Do tarantulas shoot out webs, like in the movies?
No, she will lay one, so it kind of comes out of her abdomen.
Yeah, because I do see a bit of a web underneath her.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it slows down the locust that we feed her.
They get stuck in the web. Mm.
Can I hold her?
Of course.
Okay, come on, Dad. Okay, if I hold her, will she stop? Yeah. Oh, look at them legs. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Oh. Excuse me, Pumpkin. Do you know what? It's actually not that bad. Pumpkin, please don't fall.
Oh, it's so good.
Do you want to have a go?
She's really soft, she won't bite you.
Hello, Pumpkin. I'm going to hold you now.
Just breathe, relax. She can smell fear.
She can't.
You did it! I did it!
That was an experience. You know what, though? That actually surprised me. She is quite gentle, right? Get your hands off me!
Thanks very much, Dylan and Pumpkin. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Yeah, thanks, Pumpkin.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
While they recover, I'll tell you a bit more about Mexican red-knee tarantulas. They live in the wild in the forests, mountains and deserts of, you guessed it, Mexico. They live in little burrows that they line with silk webs. During the day, they chill in their burrows, but when night falls, they become perfect hidey holes to jump out of and capture their prey. Their reddy orangey knees are a warning to predators to stay away, but it doesn't always work. The tarantula is hunted for food by birds and lizards, but its biggest nemesis is the Pepsis wasp. Its sting paralyzes the tarantula, so it can't get away. The Mexican red-knee tarantula is a popular pet, causing their numbers to drop in the wild. So if you're thinking of getting one, only buy from people with a license, so we can help protect these amazing spiders.
It is cool and all, but I just can't get past the spider thing with all the legs.
Oh, I know. If I'm being honest, I may never recover from this one.
Oh, I hear you, Adam. But while we try to recover, let's check in with our resident hamster to see what they've been up to.
Hold me!
No, Adam.
Okay.
Oh.
I wanna be the very best, like no hamster ever was.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be the very best. That seems a little hard. Maybe second best, maybe third. Maybe if there's like a fifth best, I'd be happy with that.
You guys aren't even doing the right exercise. You gotta take the leg and get it out there.
Yeah, I'm definitely not going to do
I
that.
call this one the hang down, spin it around leg thing.
Yeah, try to shorten that for you.
Okay, I don't actually have a name for it yet, all right? It's a work in progress.
Hello, I'm Miriam Mullins and this is my lovely Lucy. Anyway, I'm here with a challenge for you all. Have a look at these cute kitties. I want you to take a guess who their celebrity owner might be. Their owner is a YouTuber and gamer and has over 8 million subscribers. He's a keen crafter and he's known for building mega bases. That's all you're getting now. We'll be back later with the grand reveal.
Next up, we're going to meet some very talented Shetland ponies.
That's right, Adam. You're going to be taking on those painting ponies in a challenge.
Let's do this.
This is Tico, a Shetland pony also known as, oh, I need to be careful saying this one, Shet Van Gogh. Tico and Adam, you have 2 minutes to complete your paintings. Ready? Pet. Go!
Okay, Tico, go! Tico, go! Oh, wow. Tico, he's fast. Hang on, what is he licking? Does he have a treat? That's not fair. I need a treat.
Go, Tico, go!
Oh, Demi, you're going to be so impressed.
Go, Tico!
I've never done a better piece of art than this. This is fantastic.
That's your opinion. 30 more seconds.
Come on, I'm nearly there. I'm nearly there.
And time's up. Right, Adam.
Yes.
What is this?
You have to guess.
Can I say it?
Yeah.
Looks like poop.
It's a pony. Pony.
That's supposed to be Tico.
Yes, Tico. Look. It's like looking in the mirror.
Tico, can we see your painting? Oh, look at this. This is absolutely divine. I want this in my kitchen.
Do you want this in your kitchen?
No, I might have that in the bathroom.
How and why did he get into painting?
Tico, at a very young age, had a habit of head shaking.
Oh, he's doing it right now, look.
Yeah. And then one of our lead volunteers, Aoife, saw a video on TikTok, and she was the first to try the idea for a Christmas gift for Karen from the horses. Wow. And after Karen saw the idea, she tweaked it and refined it to what Tico now does.
Wow, that is incredible.
And I seen that there was something on the canvas to encourage Tico to paint. What is it that he's licking away at?
It's a vitamin gel. It's apple flavour.
Okay.
So it's just encouraging him to stay focused on the canvas.
Where was my vitamin gel?
I mean, you had hands,
Yeah,
and
true.
you came up with that.
Who does he help with the paintings?
We have 7 miniature therapy ponies. They help all ages from young to elderly. We would go into nursing homes and would do paintings for patients with dementia.
Right.
The kid would come down and do art sessions at the barn.
Do they get to keep their
Yes,
paintings?
they
Oh,
do.
that's so nice.
They get to keep their paintings. And their paintings have actually gone all over the world.
You have a lot to thank Tico for then.
Yes.
Well
We
done,
do.
Tico. He's like, yes, thank you, yes.
And then how do you help out with the organisation?
Usually I help mark out their pen, help make their food, I lie down in their new bed and give them their favourite time of the day, their treats. So yeah, they're just so loving and caring and talented, like Tico, who can paint, and you can teach them so many wonderful skills.
Well, guys, thank you so much. They are incredible ponies, and I wish you all the best of luck.
Tico did an absolutely fantastic job. I mean, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Would definitely be going to my kitchen. Anyway, some of our audience have been sending in their pet lookalikes. It's time for Doggy Toby!
Strong start from Colton and Bella and their matching fringes.
Oh yeah, and Molly with this ferret, very cute.
And look at this blue-eyed dog, Skyla, and her blue-eyed owner, Katie.
Look, it's our production manager, Marty, looking remarkably like an alpaca. That's uncanny. Back to work, Marty.
So far, we've had a donkey.
Yep.
A spider.
Yep.
And a painted pony.
And it doesn't end there. Later, we'll be meeting a baby pygmy goat and some ducklings.
And Ida Rose, our well-dressed pug.
Don't forget the Donegal family living in their very own menagerie.
We've been hanging out in Donegal and finding out about your amazing pets.
It's time to catch up with Eva, Alana and Sophia, who love animals so much they turned their home into a farm.
We joined them to see what life is like when living with all your favourite animals.
Hi, I'm Eva. And I'm Sophia. And this is Alana. This is our home and we have lots of animals. Let's go see. So this is Spike and he's a bearded dragon and he's 4 years old. He loves eating fruit and vegetables, and when it's a good day, he likes going on the grass. So Eva, what animal do you want to see next? The guinea pig. This is Unicorn, and he eats lettuce, he eats cucumbers. This is Buggy. Yeah, that's broccoli. And after he would eat like lunch or anything, he would snuggle up in there to like go to sleep. And anytime he's hungry, he goes like, then that's how we know how to feed him. So this is our bird called Birdie. He is 3 years old. He's a lovebird. He could like bob his head when we sing a song so he can dance. I get you, 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 I get you. So it's time to feed Buddy the ram. Buddy needs extra care because he's really old. He's no good for the yos anymore, so he's a pet ram and we have to feed him. Our last animal we need to share with you today is our bees, so let's go get our suits on. The smoke makes them all calm and nice so they won't harm you. The great thing about having bees is that we get honey. These are the frames we take out of the hive. They were all covered in honey, and then it goes into this big box. Thanks for visiting us and our pets. Bye! Claps!
Wow, what a family of pets. There were literally animals everywhere. I would love to grow up in that place.
But I'm sure with all those pets, they've spent some time in their local vets over the years. Let's check in with Dr. Bobby to see what's happening in his surgery.
Today in the surgery, we have Toby, a Herman's tortoise. Toby was actually rescued after his previous owners weren't able to provide the best care for him. But one of the most important things that we had to do for him is actually place a feeding tube in the side of his neck. And today he's in for a checkup because he has actually already removed his feeding tube. And unfortunately, Toby is suffering from a very common disease we see in reptiles called metabolic bone disease, or MBD. That can then lead to lots of diseases and unfortunately cause their shells to grow incorrectly. And so it is an ongoing problem that we have to treat them for. Taking an X-ray allows us to see a lot of the organs and to provide us more information. We're gonna go ahead and take that X-ray right now. So these are the results of the X-ray. We're actually able to zoom in and we can see that this is just some food that he's processing. The bones are still showing some signs of metabolic bone disease, so we want to see those bones to actually be a little bit more brighter, but they are improving from his previous X-rays. Okay, so this actually X-ray was the one that we took previously when we had Toby's feeding tube that was in place. So from here we can actually see the entire feeding tube, and then this is where it's going into the side of his neck, and from this portion to here is where it's actually going into the stomach, where we're able to deliver the food.
Hi, Dr. Bobby.
Hi, Shauna. So we have finished up with Toby's exam.
Fantastic.
We did some X-rays, as we discussed, and the most important thing is the bone density is actually increasing. So I'm really, really happy with them.
Fantastic.
Do you have any questions for me?
I was going to get him a skateboard for Tortoise, just for physio and to help him move quicker. I know it's a weird one. What do you think?
I actually do like them for cases like this. That would alleviate some of the pressure and allow him to move a bit more. So I would absolutely recommend that.
Thank you so much.
Let's check back in on those pesky hamsters. I wonder what they're up to now.
So, what did everyone bring for lunch today?
I brought some crumbs I found in the couch.
Ooh, couch crumbs. Love those.
I brought a pumpkin.
What? Where'd you get a whole pumpkin from?
I found it.
Hold on, how'd you even get that in here? It weighs like a million. You know what? No, I don't want to know.
I found this ball of something.
Okay, mystery ball. Now we're talking.
Yeah, I found it in the trash out back.
Okay, that's disgusting.
I've got a piece of grass.
Okay, and Philip's on a diet.
Meet Charlie and Joseph with their ducklings and their pygmy goat, Simon.
We have two others, Alvin and Theodore.
Like Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Yes.
And how old is Simon?
He is 2 months old. He drinks bottles.
Do you guys get to feed Simon his bottles?
Yes, at the evening time.
And what's it like having goats as a pet?
They make a good pet, but he is an escape artist.
Oh, really? So you have to keep a close eye on Simon?
Does Simon have any cool tricks?
He jumps with us.
Can I see if he jumps if you put him down? Okay, hang on, I'm gonna get round the back. This way, look! What's this? Look! Jump! He come in! He jumped! What did he do? He jumped!
Adam, do you want to feed Simon?
Yes, please. Is that his bottle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Dinner is served.
You have to kind of tilt it.
Oh, wow, look at that.
I'm feeding
Oh my God.
Oh, Simon, he likes it. I'm feeding a pygmy goat. Oh, look at the tail. He's really happy. Does that mean he's happy?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
Right, go. He's making a little sound. Do you hear it?
He always does that. He loves to smoke.
Oh. Tell us about the ducklings. What's their name?
Tim, Tom, and Timothy.
And are these the only ducklings you have?
No, there's 9 more.
What way does it work when the duckling hatches?
You keep it in the incubator till the feathers puff up, because when the ducklings come out of the egg, they're all wet.
So how old are the ducklings?
4 weeks old and 1 day.
And I love the different colours in the feathers. Tell us a bit about the feathers.
If they have a mum, the mum would spread the oil onto them, but if they don't have a mum, then it would take 4 weeks to produce oil onto the feathers to make their feathers waterproof, so then they can swim.
That makes a lot of sense. They're wet, but you can see the water right on top of them.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I think the word is hydrophobic.
Did the producers just give you a hint there?
No, they didn't.
And you can't give ducks bread, did you know that?
You can't give duck bread?
You can't give ducks bread?
Really?
It's really bad for them.
Did you get that from the producer as well? Well, on that note, thank you so much, guys.
Got it! I touched one!
Hey!
Thank you!
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Next up, we're meeting Ellie and her buddy dog, Vicky.
Ellie, what is a buddy dog?
So a buddy dog is
a guide dog that basically has a career change. They go to children that might get a guide dog later in life so they can get used to caring for a dog.
What impact has Vicky had on your life, Ellie?
She has helped me become more confident and meet so many new people. If I'm taking her for a walk, people will usually stop by and pet her and say, oh, she's such a cute dog, and then we end up chatting, and it's just been great, and she's such a calming presence.
I even feel calm just being here.
So relaxed and zen. Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Vicky.
And is it true that Vicky was working as a different kind of dog before she became a buddy dog?
She was in guide dog school, and then she got too stressed from the workload, I suppose.
Oh.
So she just couldn't handle it.
And when you're together in the house, what do you get up to?
She likes to help me with my homework.
On the hood of the Isles, soon he began to nod with sleep.
I will talk to Vicky about whatever I'm learning about, and she listens, and I don't think she likes maths very much.
Right, okay.
Does she eat that homework?
Yeah.
So you can really use my dog ate my homework excuse?
I actually can.
Oh, that's good. I just love dogs.
What makes Vicky the best pet?
She never judges me.
Aww.
She's always there and she always listens, and she's just so calm.
And does she sleep in the bed with you now?
She sleeps downstairs in her wee bed, but she sometimes goes into my brother's room, which is not fair.
And I can't help but notice you have a very lightsabery looking
Yes, it is a
cane here.
lightsaber cane.
Can we see it in action?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow!
That's so cool!
Oh, watch out! Watch out! She has it!
I cut you in half.
And can Vicky do any tricks?
She can catch her tail.
Catch her tail?
Like, literally catch her tail.
Oh, she got it! She got it! Well done! Well done! Good girl.
That's so cute.
Thank you so much, Ellie, for bringing Vicky here to see us. She is an absolute gem.
Oh, thank you.
Can I borrow your lightsaber after this as well?
Yes.
Thank you.
From buddy dog to model dog, introducing Ida Rose, the best dressed pug in Ireland, and her long distance boyfriend, Milo.
Welcome, Julie. This is your pug, Ida Rose.
Ida Rose. This is Milo, and Milo is Ida Rose's long-term boyfriend.
How did they meet?
I set up an Instagram page for Ida Rose and began following the Galway pug. He's become very famous for his little stunt in a watermelon. which you can see.
So they're like a proper couple?
Oh yeah.
I think they're like probably the best dressed dogs I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, they have a great wardrobe.
Right
You can
behind
see,
you,
yeah.
I can see. Like,
Yeah, I think that's why she got the name the Donegal doll.
well, Ida Rose is clearly loving life as the Donegal doll.
Yeah, she's got an outfit for every occasion.
We're back. Well, any guesses on which YouTuber owns these stripy cats? Here's a few more clues to help you out. He's no stranger to mining. He's blocked out a big portion of his life for gaming, and he's part of the Hermitcraft server. Any ideas? Let's take a look. It's the YouTuber Green and his cats Maui and Pearl. Right, Lucy, I think you're ready for a walk. You want to go for a walk?
Well, that's it from Donegal. We had so much fun meeting the great pet lovers of the northwest of Ireland. But we've got to hit the road to find some more cute, weird, wacky,
and totally crazy pets. But remember, choosing a pet is a life-changing decision for you and the animal.
Yep, so do your research. Make sure you can provide the best home for whatever pet you decide.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Next time we're in County Galway, where we'll be meeting a goal-scoring turtle, a foster kitten, a calf, and the creepiest of crawlies.
And I'll be riding a flatulent horse. And don't forget to share your own pet stories using the hashtags on screen.
Adam, we should get moving. Times are going.
Right.